You sent us the craziest picture of the Louis Vuitton building, right?
Yeah. So like around the corner from us, like a couple blocks from where we were staying, because we would go and get bagels every morning, my wife and I, and we'd pass by this Louis Vuitton. I guess it's right outside there. It's either their headquarters, it's right across the street from their headquarters. And basically they wrapped the facade of this building to make it look like luggage, like suitcases.
It was
And it's
really
just
well
like,
done.
yeah, like the entire building is covered. Like you get up really close to it and it looks like the buckles look real. Like all the little metal corners and accent pieces are all like, it's not like a flat facade. Like it's like metal and then there's like what looks like leather. And yeah, it's like, it's crazy, crazy detailed. And,
Look at that. Actually came for anybody watching the live stream. I got my phone picture of it. That thing's nuts.
It is. It's crazy. Yeah. Every time we walk by and I'm like looking back at it, I'm marveled. My wife's like, it's so funny. Like we walk by this thing and there's all these men just taking photos of it. I'm like, yeah, because this is just an interesting architectural thing. Like that they did this is crazy and made it look so real. And it's not like LED boards or anything like that. It's like they actually like kind of made it look like luggage. Like,
is it like fabric or is it all like concrete?
No, it's like a really thick fabric because it doesn't move in the breeze. So it's either really taut or it's really thick or something. And it's just like a fascia, but they've like all the firefighting, like the water ports and everything around the base, they have built into the side of it. So like they've extended them to it. Like it's got full access to everything that they need. At the bottom, I couldn't find a doorway to get into it, so I don't know how I guess they're getting in from the side or from the back or something like that.
Interesting.
And it's only like those two sides. Like if you go around to the other side, it wraps just a little bit, like just enough to create the corner, and then like it's just like the regular building after that.
Interesting.
But yeah, it's really, really interesting. It was really crazy to see in person.
Yeah. And it's tall too.
Yeah, like it's
it looks
building.
like leather.
10,
it does.
Stories.
And like I said, you walk up in those little metal corners, they're actually like metal. And then like the sides, it kind of feels like some thick fabric of something. Like it doesn't really have any give to it.
Huh. Yeah, I wonder how they did that. I would love to talk to the
engineer
team
behind
that
it.
set that up. Yeah.
And it's not that old. I think it's only been there like a year or so or something like that.
Okay. Seemed like it was in good condition, so it's holding up well.
This is what I call... This had to have been what I call a Taco Bell think tank idea. Like there's how anything on Taco Bell menu gets derived is there are a bunch of people under the influence who are like, what would be sick is if we took this taco and put another taco inside of it. But there's probably the same thing where somebody's like, it would be sick if we made the building look like a suitcase.
100%.
And then someone's like, we have to do it.
We have to do that. Yeah.
And they're like, I was kidding. This is going to be millions of dollars. No, we have to do it.